Welcome. In today's video, we're going to guide you through the process of creating a new account on X, formerly known as Twitter. If you're ready to join the conversation and connect with others, this step-by-step tutorial will help you set up your account in no time. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open the X app on your Android device. Ensure you're using the latest version for the best experience. Step 2. Once you're in the app, tap your profile picture at the top left of the screen. This will take you to your profile settings. Step 3. Next, look for the 3 dots next to your profile picture and tap on them. This will reveal more options for your account. Step 4. Now, select Create a New Account. This is where your new journey on X begins. Step 5. After that, tap Create Account. You're almost there. Step 6. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter your name, email, or phone number, and date of birth. Make sure to provide accurate information to help set up your profile. Step 7. Finally, complete the setup by verifying your email or phone number. This step is crucial to ensure the security of your account. And just like that, you've successfully created a new account on X. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and subscribe for more tips on navigating social media. Thanks for watching, and enjoy exploring X.